Good morning. Out in the garden collecting fresh ingredients. Today I am going to make Jamaican oxtail. If you would like to see how I prepare my oxtails, keep watching. Everything is growing. I'm going to get out today after I cook and plant some more vegetables. But I just wanted to give you a quick little view of what we still have growing in the garden. We have some black Spanish radishes. We have some turnips back there. Still picking off the side shoots of the broccoli. We've got our herbs mixed in, our rosemary, Swiss chard, beets, some Swiss chard, cauliflower. Of course, we have tons of our kale, our lacinato kale. The leaves are starting to grow back. I've harvested 3 times off my lacinato kale. If you have not grown lacinato kale, you definitely want to get it in the garden. The mustard greens, I love those mustard greens. I've harvested off those twice already, and look how it's growing back. My giant purple mustard greens, I've harvested off those once. I have one Napa cabbage that is still there. I've already harvested off the other ones. We've got a little bit of cabbage, some onions, purple cabbage, a little bit of carrots that are left, and I'm getting ready to harvest that today to go in my oxtail stew. So I'm out here, I'm gonna harvest some carrots, I'm gonna pick some. Look at those bulbs, they're beautiful. I'm gonna do a little closer. Look at that, wow. Our celery is doing really good. I'm gonna have celery for a while. And then I planted some onions, and of course you got to have your salad. Let's see. Yep. And so this is the last of, I know I showed in all my videos, I had 4 of them, and this is the last of my Napa cabbage. Napa cabbage. I'm really excited. And I'm gonna make a meal out of this tomorrow, so that's my last one. Yeah, things are still growing. This is the winter garden, still growing, you know, so I'm thankful to be able to come out every day and harvest something. And my dirt looks really good. Look how dark that is. Some really good soil. The fennel that I cut back. All right, so here I am to harvest the remaining of my carrots. I'm going to use this in my oxtail stew. Look how easy that came out of the ground. And you never know what you're gonna get. It's only been, what, 3 months? Carrots have been in there, and I like them when they're small and tender, and I also like them when they're regular size, they're large. But all I need is a cup full of carrots, and this is gonna work perfect. There's a little larger one. So this is gonna serve its purpose. And today I'm going to, here's another larger one. So this is exactly what I need. I thank God for my carrot harvest. I was able to make 7 different meals with the carrots that I did plant. So, yep, this area is free. There's a couple of worms right there. Got some peas right there. So this area is free, but I'm gonna plant some more carrots. I'm gonna come out here and plant some more carrots. My carrot harvest. Looking good. And to go with that, I'm gonna pick some thyme. Vinegar or lemon, and today I'm going to use vinegar. Teaspoon of the poultry seasoning, teaspoon of paprika, of ginger, a teaspoon of garlic, and a teaspoon of allspice. Okay, so I've got my green peppers, my carrots, 1 tomato, onions, and my Scotch bonnet peppers. And I'm gonna go ahead and add it to my oxtail. You got your fresh thyme. And my oxtail is already brown. Let me get my spoon. Okay, so I've also added 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar. You can use brown sugar. And I'm just gonna stir fry that for a good 2 minutes. And then I'll go ahead and add it to my Instant Pot or crock pot. And you can also cook it on the stove if you want to. It just is going to take longer to cook. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in my crock pot. I can walk away. There's some things that I wanted to do in the garden today, so I can just walk away and come back and check it. And it won't even take that long to cook. Just trying to turn up the heat. You already see the juices. It smells so good. fresh thyme right there. Okay, so another minute, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the crock pot. And we are gonna make Jamaican oxtail with, we're gonna add a little bit of gravy to it later, a little bit of roux. Okay, so now we are ready to go ahead and add it to our pot. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and transport it. Next, I added 2 cups of boiling hot water and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And here I'm just reminding you not to lock the lid, just leave it loosely. And then I set my timer for 4 hours. I walked away, finished up some things that I needed to do. Enjoy. Thank you for cooking with me. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. I will see you in my next video. Blessings.